Okay, we're on the Sales tab. Let's click on G5, right click on it and select Insert Comment, and let's type Bill, that's excellent sales, and then click any other cell to close the comment box. And we have a red triangle there. Let's move the cursor over it to see the comment. And now let's right click on a toolbar and select Drawing if it's not already selected, and right click on cell G5 and select Edit Comment. Select the comment text and let's click the font color arrow and select blue, and then click any cell to close the comment box, and then let's place the cursor over the triangle to view it. Now right click on A17 and select Insert Comment, and let's type "We need to update this book," and then click any cell to close the comment box again. And now right click a toolbar and let's select Reviewing, and click the Next Comment button, and then click it again. Yes. And then click the Show All Comments button. And now click the button again to hide the comments, and right click a toolbar and let's deselect Drawing, and then do the same thing and deselect Reviewing. And then click the Prices tab and let's go to the Tools menu and select Track Changes and highlight Changes and select Track Changes while editing. This also shares your workbook. And we want to change when to not yet reviewed, and then OK and OK, and click in C4 and let's type 30 and press the Enter key, and then select C6 and we'll type 235 in C6 and press Enter, and you'll notice some blue triangles. You can see the comments. Now let's click Save, and then we'll go to the Tools menu and select Track Changes and highlight Changes and clear the When box, and let's select List Changes on a New Sheet and OK. And there's the list of changes. Now let's click the Prices tab and let's go to the Tools menu, Track Changes, and Accept or Reject Changes, and let's click OK to that, and let's reject that first one and we'll accept the second one and save.